Annyeong everyone, this is Ju from Soju Cars, and this is the new Mazda BT50, and this is the top of the line, which is the Pangolin as well. No longer there will be a Pangolin edition that will be a bit more expensive than the normal 4x4. As you well know, the Mazda BT50 is also a brother and a sister of the Isuzu D-Max. But this time it's different. This time Mazda wants to separate itself. It wants to be distinguished BT50, and it wants to have its loyal customer for the BT50 itself. This model is going to surely shake the people who would be interested to buy a Isuzu D-Max. Once they see this, they might have to think, well, more than twice. In our channel we say, 시작. As you well know, Mazda vehicles have this Kodo design language, which just makes the car look sharp, it looks beautiful, and they have done it multiple times to this truck, even to a truck, yes. And Mazda really understands very well that not everyone brings their 4x4 pickup trucks to the off-road or use it for their businesses. And Mazda BT50 is just that. It can do a lot of things. It can look beautiful and at the same time, do the hard work for your businesses. How much is this 4x4 Pangolin edition? Over 2 million? No, way below 2 million. 1,850,000 pesos only. And it comes with 5 years Mazda PMS. That is an amazing, sweet deal. The BT50 also shares the same powertrain as the D-Max, the 3.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine, 4-cylinder, mated to 6-speed automatic transmission. It has 190 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. The minimum ground clearance is 240 millimeters for this 18-inch wheels and 17-inch wheels for the lower variant, 235 millimeters for its minimum ground clearance. I am sweating here a lot, and Mazda BT50 has a solution for that, the remote engine start. And this is a feature that we cannot remove here in the Philippines. It's either this or the smartphone app. You can just hold on to the arrow and it will start easily. This is the tail design of the BT50. LED, park lights, mixed of halogen lights, but this is a pickup truck, please remember that. The trunk, to open it, just open this with the chrome. Mazda, smaller Mazda logo than the front. BT50, 4x4, the lights for the plate are in halogen. It just is, wow. It goes up a lot easier than coming down, to tell you honestly. How did they do this? They should do this to all the pickup trucks in the Philippines and in the world. And this one is the armor type, wherein you roll, then you can reach all the way there. So what's the importance of having this cover? Sometimes you want to keep your stuff here and you don't want them to be stolen, especially in traffic in the evening, along EDSA, if you know what I mean. That easy. As long as you close it first, before the trunk gate, it will not open. Double wishbone in front and lift spring at the back. Full-size spare wheel here, which is very suitable for the Philippines. Rear sensors and backup camera with the Pangolin sports bar, top mount brake light, and roof rail. And just to give you a comparison, side by side, this is the outgoing BT50, this is the new one. The front look, the wheel design, similar or same. From the rear, there looks a lot halogen versus this. There you go. Looks similar but different. This is the interior. What you see here, all the leather is real, authentic leather, not synthetic. And the leather is similar to the leather that's used in the CX-30. These are true leather, and Mazda is quite proud of that. I wish, they can use a little bit more of leather here, because this area really affects the entire look. Because You be the judge. But then it has been like this even before, and no one's complaining and everyone's still buying. So I guess I'm just Maselan. Power controls for the driver. Really comfortable seats. These seats are comfortable. Really comfortable. I can go anywhere with these seats. Now, what's interesting, knee airbag. The 4x4 has plenty of airbags to save you and your family anywhere you go. They don't just save pangolins. The BT50 Pangolin saves lives. Compartment. Those people who are looking for the 360 view, it's here. And the dashboard is a little different because we don't have the cup holders anymore here. So if you like the cup holder like me, then you might feel a bit sad. But you can't have everything, and you also have to be different. Airbag here, grab handle here, speaker, hazard button is here, wherein it's so easy to reach. Even the previous Mazda BT50, I always like the feel here, like the nose of a dog. You see, you look at your dog's nose closely, it will look like this. And yes, we still have this. Although it's not a cool box, but look what they did. They made this one look similar here. So it looks seamless. Headliner is all black, which many automakers don't do. Vanity mirror with lights. And this one is also soft. I like that too. Yes, we need sunglass case in all our cars. Even if we're going towards electrification, we still need that. Auto dimming room mirror, we need that. More glove box, we need that. Physical buttons for the aircon. These are the usual complaints now if you are into EVs, like those things. Like those buttons will all be here on the screen, so that's bad. It is intuitive, it's user-friendly. I must still show you this. So what happened here is, there's an option where you can turn on the guided line. But for this software, it seems that it's not well calibrated. This might be a prototype, that's why it might have that. You can go to settings, go to camera, and turn off the dynamic guide or the static guide, so that when you go reverse, you won't have that Temu lines. But this one, the quality, how well the panoramic is working, it works. For a car this big, the more cameras, the more information you have, the better. What also you can see here is Apple CarPlay, phone connectivity, Android Auto. You can also click on ADAS, then it will show you the ADAS, electrical, angles, the transfer. When you transfer to 4H, there you go. And then when you go to 4 low, there you go. It locks the center differential if you press this. See that? See? That's cute. For a truck, it has all the intelligent features, even adaptive cruise control with the stereo cameras, which is really accurate. Analog needles, perfect. The sound of a 3.0 liter diesel turbo engine. This screen right here can show a lot of things. There you go. Plenty of things. Plenty, actually, a lot. So you have to take quite a while to actually get back where you started. There you have it. And you also do get Mazda animation. On. Diba? Then when you start the car. Mazda BT50 animation. Yon. 6-speed wireless charge pad. I'm not sure if this is part of the Pangolin package, but I actually found it inside here like that. So I thought, ooh, you can charge here in the center console, and then I just found out it probably fits here. Yes. This is leather also. The sound we will miss very soon. Cup holders. Nice leather, good feel when you put your elbow. And when you press this, it actually shoots, catapults up. And then when it goes down, it also catapults down. And the live surround speakers. I like how the steering wheel looks. And look at this, looks really luxurious and also looks like one of those passenger cars. Yeah, there's actually the crawl mode, heated seats, downhill assist, parking sensor. You also do get Shiftronic. You can have so much fun in the BT50 in style and also in confidence thanks to the 5 years PMS. Let's go to the back. Here at the back, aside from the BT50 floor mats, actually back here, nothing really changed. Most probably the quality of the leather. Oh, I like this, it's soft. Cup holders, charge option. This is a Type C, it's a Type C. Then a holder for your purse, for your wife. Grab handles, heated. What, does this fold down? Yes, it folds down. You can keep your tools in jack. It also has ISO fix. This is not the first time I'm driving the BT50, but today we are here in Mazda Center of Excellence. And why is Mazda excellent? Is it because of their state-of-the-art facility? Is it because of their state-of-the-art technology? Well, I personally think it's because of the state-of-the-art Steven Tan. Because of Steven Tan, a lot of people fall in love with Mazdas. Although from time to time there are people that complain about their experience. But once Steven knows about that experience, he's gonna investigate and help you make the process faster. Although it is supposed to be that way for all Mazdas, but you know, we're just people. 5 years PMS and also the PMS warranty of Steven Tan, the president of Mazda Philippines. He has you covered. Driving the Mazda BT50, it feels like a real truck. It feels like a truck that you would be confident enough to bring anywhere. And you know, I have actually brought it to the off-road. I got stuck with it because I went with the stock tires and all that. But you know, that's how confident I was with the car. And if the car got stuck, it's because of the human factor. And if you watch that video with Jojo the Love Survivor, we enjoyed our experience with it. And that experience really made me fall in love. Driving the BT50 around Manila feels really good because it doesn't feel like you are driving a pickup truck when people see you from the outside. It is a pickup truck, yes. But when you see it from the front, like dead front, it doesn't look like a pickup truck. Now, it looks like a pickup truck because of this Pangolin accessories. It became more macho look. But if in the previous generation, it looked beautiful from the side, from the front. But of course, when you go to the far side, then it becomes a pickup truck. But with all this intelligent cruise control system, which is adaptive, it is gonna save you with all those airbags, including the knee airbag. At nighttime, auto dimming room mirror helps you very well. Blind spot monitoring helps you as well. Wireless charging pad, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, 360 camera, comfortable seats with heated seats. good sound system, 5 years PMS, and it truly feels like a pickup truck. Because these days, pickup trucks are also not, you don't feel what a pickup truck should be. So in the future generation, I don't think they would know what a real pickup truck should feel like. But with this kind of 3.0 liter, 450 Newton, Manila safe, province safe, good for your business, good for the city, you'll always be happy that you have purchased one. I hope you get to drive it. I hope you get to feel it, experience it. It's not the brand that matters, it's how it drives and how it helps your lifestyle. Okay? So with that, I'll see you in the next video. May your dreams come true. Bye.